cut down the length for the size for this video by reducing my quality. We're gonna go take a look at the damage again in reverse. Look, leaking.
No, that's fine.
It leaks. There's a bent steel pole that we're gonna see. Shattered windows. The entire C terminal got hit bad. We can't get in there. Look at this. It looks normal, right? Normal stuff. And then all of a sudden up here, see the blue cordons that we're coming up on? So, we have been damaged. We're putting up blue wood things that do nothing. They just prevent you from seeing the damage if you're on the wrong side of them. But you can get to the right side of them, just walk around us. Let's see here, we've got some damaged windows. And there's glass on the ground here. You can like hear it crackling under my feet. Can't quite see it on the on this ground, but I can see it sparkling. And we've got like windows that are just normal windows, and then we've got all of a sudden shatter. Normal, metal, normal, shattered. It's amazing. Really, truly something. Take a look at this. See, that looks like the point of impact right there, like a rock hit it. Feels smooth with safety glass. Look at this, see? The wire, the cables that held things up. Destroyed. You can kind of see it there, just coming down. And you've got all of a sudden glass, no glass. Sign bent at like a 20-degree angle. I'm gonna take you over to the sign. It is really something. Photographer over here taking pictures of the damage. Now, there's one sign entirely just ripped up. See that? This sign, though, too strong to be ripped up. So it's just bent. Now look at the damage to the ground. You can see it's like trying to rip the ground up. That's tornado for you. And then right over here, completely undamaged. We're gonna go into the lobby before the C terminal now. There used to be some hanging structures in here. So used to, because of course, there's not anymore. Oh, let's take a look at it. See here? Doors blown wide open. Just blown. Used to be a door here, I promise you. Used to be a door there too. Blown open. This is the carousel. Which carousels are these? But yeah, the tornado just whoosh, blew straight through here. See, here's some of their metal that they've pulled off to the side. And this all happened Friday night. This is Sunday morning. Sunday morning, about 10 a.m. Here's our ceiling. Oh, what ceiling? That ceiling. Yeah, crazy stuff. And here's where, well, not here. Here's where there used to be hanging structures. You can still see the anchor points for them up there. You can still see the dangling cable. and they're fixing the wood beams. All right, this one's 5 minutes long. I'm gonna upload it, take another one.